is I got to test for if the player didn't manage to do all three. So in that case, I'm going to be testing for those blocks as air instead of as like stone. But first, let's do the testing for stone thing. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3. And this is actually very bad organization of space. Yeah, I'm actually going to have it here. 1, 2, 3. And also another, actually 3 blocks apart. 1, 2, 3. Cool. Let me actually take a look at the coordinates. 21, 5, negative 3. I'm going to say them again. 21, 5, negative 3. Just so I can view them easier. And 22, 4, negative 3. 22, 4, negative 3. 23, 5, negative 3. Cool. So, test for block. I believe it's 21, 5, negative 3. 21, 5, negative 3. Stone. Test for block. I'll actually just do this one straight away since I can see it. Actually, maybe not. It's always good to sort of keep everything orderly and clear so that when you're trying to debug, it's easier. So even though it's a bit inconvenient, I'm going to do it. 22, 4, negative 3. 22, 4, negative 3. Stone. And the last one. 23, 5, negative 3. 23, 5, negative 3. Stone. There we go. And let me just paste these things in to the schematic blocks. And instead of stone, type air. I pressed V instead of C. So now I would have to retype the coordinates. 22, 4, 3. Oh, I pressed escape, so it actually saved it. Cool. Change this one to air. And change this one to air. And here we go. Nice. Now I'm probably going to have these things fired off at the same second. Let's see if the redstone has enough signal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Actually, no. So I have to use a repeater to sort of repeat the signal. Now it should have enough signal. Oh, there we go. Nice. Oh, that actually poses another problem. When we're trying to refresh everything to make sure that this game can be played again, we actually want the signal to actually travel this way as well. So, this repeater is a bit of a bad idea, since signal can travel through repeaters the other way. And, interesting. First, I'll make I can move those closer if I want to, but I prefer to keep everything organized. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We're 1 block short. We can move these 1 block this way, and all will be right. Copy U. Of course, I could just control and then middle mouse button click, but I like to do copy paste. Copy U. Get you here. Copy U. Get you here, and now we should have enough signal strength, I think. Oops. Errored. Just to be sure of that, I'm gonna like, there we go. So just to be sure of that, I'm going to execute this one. So do we have enough signal strength? The answer is yes, we do have enough signal strength. And actually one to spare since I added a repeater here. Okay, cool. So I could have them 3 blocks apart since I had a repeater there, but since it's already done, it's already done. Anyways, let's actually play the comparator game a bit here. There we go. Apparently my hand was on FN instead of shift. Weather clear. I hate it when you can't see the rain when it actually rains. Oops. Boop. 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 Oh yeah, it's error now, so let me actually, yeah, okay. Let me actually just deactivate both of them by having, like, nothing here. Well, not nothing, a block that's not stone. Like command blocks. And then execute this sequence again. From, like, right here. And now everything should be off. Perfect. Nice. So basically, after a, like, if I'm, like, in this case, I'm only giving it, like, one signal, like once to test for a block. If it's, like, a repeating command block, and then I sort of, like, make it so that it can't find the block, it will, like, instantly, the signal will switch to off. But, actually, let me actually show you this. So, test for block, 1 block above, stone. And then, let me actually get a button. Place it on the side, place a piece of stone up here, and place a comparator down. So now, as you can see, the comparator lights up. What if I destroy this piece of stone? The comparator is still up. Because I have to let it test for it again. Right. So that's another problem. And just so you know, I really don't want lots of repeating command blocks here because I only want it to test for this thing like at a particular moment. Now that we're actually done with this, let's see if we could hook these up to a larger AND gate. By theory, it should be the same as the smaller one. I haven't actually done this, so I don't know, but by theory, it should be the same. I think it's actually the same. Yeah, it's the same. Oops. I know I could just place the other torch here, but I like to be able to see everything that's going on very directly. And symmetry as well. And boop. So it is actually exactly the same. That's good to know. And then these two are actually, well, it's fine, I'll stick with this. Okay, now let's see. So this one would have to be, so it can only be one and not the other. That bit we know. So actually, let's just do the appropriate outputs. This recording's been going on for 28 minutes already, so it might be 2 episodes. Probably expect this to be 2 episodes. Okay. So for this one, I'm gonna do for either one, afterwards, I would want to set all of those blocks to something else that's not stone or air. And then, like, sort of, I guess, update these so every single comparator is off, and then set it to air. Okay. So I might need to connect the signal somewhere along the way. I haven't thought this out completely yet, but I think I have a basic idea. First of all, say, great job. And then, okay, let's see. I would then have to, actually, it might work. Okay. So, just this sort of like a test, I guess. Let's actually look at the coordinates. 21, 5, negative 3. So it's going to be 21, 5, negative 3. And then set block 21, 5, negative 3 to be a block like a diamond block. Oh, actually, this could be a very good idea. For example, if they actually failed it, then here I would like set these to something like a red color, like a redstone block. And then it'll be like, so like, now I've set it to a diamond block, so it's like, this is actually quite a good idea. So what's the coordinate for the next one? 22, 4, negative 3. So set block 22, 4, negative 3, diamond block. And what's the third coordinate? 23, 5, negative 3. Set block 23, 5, negative 3. Diamond block. Cool. And let me actually do the same thing over here. Say no. And copy this and paste this one in here instead. Redstone block. Cool. Copy this, paste it in here, and redstone. Copy this and paste that in here, and redstone. Cool. So now that happens, I'm actually gonna like give a delay sort of for dramatic effect. A like 4-tick delay, 0.47 delay. And then actually I'm actually gonna leave that up for like a bit more than 1 second. 2 ticks more than 1 second. And now I'm actually going to connect these two signals. Just so that if like that one happens, it still leads over there. So what I'm basically doing here is I'm trying to lead the signal back to these command blocks, that it updates these command blocks so that basically every single one of these repeaters are off. I haven't tested any of these yet, so I don't know if it's going to work or not. Let's actually add repeaters later. Place the redstone first, add repeater later. So now this one can't go back here and then execute this one over again, which is good. And I think that's more than 15 blocks. Let's actually count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, we don't need to count those because like there's a fresh boost here. Oh, we might need to actually. Well, never mind. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then that should be okay. Time, set, day. Cool. Nice. By far, this is not the most compact thing ever. It's very not compact. But I prefer to do things not compact when I actually have the space, just so that it's easier for bug fixing. Okay. And, like, look how clearly you can see everything. After this, after they're all updated, yeah. I'm gonna leave one off here. Actually, yeah, one tick. It's just so we set all three of those blocks to air. And I might want to copy some things from over here. Oop. And instead of diamond block, let's do air. So this thing is going to be fully resettable. Resettable. I don't actually know if that's a word. Maybe. It might perfectly be a word. I just don't know. Air. Yeah. Oop. Last one. There. Before I actually go test this, I'm gonna say that I am in fact expecting it to have bugs. I'm expecting it to have lots of bugs, but that's what we did this like not compacting for, fixing bugs. So I'm gonna test this. I'm gonna like expect bugs, but if we see a bug, we'll go fix it right there, right now. Exactly as you see them, 20. Oh. Actually, let's do the fail one first. 10. Oh, come on, pass quicker time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up. No. And oh, that's one bug that we just found.